Say it again.
Thank you, Papa.
Say, I love playing with my...
Train.
What do trains say?
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Here it comes. Always gotta grab it and turn it off.
These are my train tracks.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Papa, I can go under the tunnel. Yeah, I did it. Before.
Almost.
And I'm gonna go through the sea. Yay! I'm gonna go to the duty.
Awesome. Let's go to the mall.
No, I'm
Go
gonna
up the
go
carts.
to the duty day.
What's the duty day?
Come here.
Okay.
Oh, now we're talking a different language.
These are mine.
All right, Nathan, say Merry Christmas.
Merry